their marriage covenant. Dearly beloved Tanya and Eugene, you are here today to seal your love with an eternal bond before the church. I assure you of the prayers of our community that God may pour His abundant blessings on your love and help you to carry out the duties of the marriage estate. Well, the sponsors, the godfather and the godmother to this marriage, may I ask you to help them with your prayers and accept them as a new couple in our Christian community. Tanya and Eugene, may I ask you to answer truthfully the following questions. Tanya, did you come here beyond free will to bind yourself upon the love service of your husband? Eugene, did you come here beyond free will to bind yourself upon the love service of your wife? Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you? Since you wish to contract a holy matrimony, please join your right hand, paghawak ng kanyang kamay, and express your intention before God and His church. Tanya, do you take Eugene, your present for your loving husband, according to the rite of Holy Mother Church? Do you give yourself to him as his wife? Do you accept him as your lawful husband? Eugene, do you take Tanya, your present for your lawful wife, according to the rite of Holy Mother Church? Do you give yourself to her as her husband? Do you accept her as your lawful wife? Now, please say together after me. Sumunod kayo sa akin. Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part. Tanya and Eugene, I bless this ring, Eugene. Wear this ring to Tanya and follow me. Sumunod kayo.
Tanya, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty to you.
And also, Tanya, wear this ring to Eugene and follow me.
Wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty.
Hawak ng kanang kamay. Tanya and Eugene, now that you received the Holy Sacrament of Matrimony, I admonish you to remain faithful to one another. Tanya, love your husband and be a good housewife. Persevere and faith in love and holiness. And Eugene, love your wife as Christ loves His church and live with her in the holy fear of the Lord. With all the powers vested on me under the Republic of the Philippines, I pronounce you officially as husband and wife. Congratulations! You can kiss the bride.
Kiss! Kiss!
Bilang po tayo, bilang po.
Roll. Camera.
Excited lang po. Para makakuha kayo. 1, 2, 3.
Camera.
Yay!
Yun. Siyempre hindi ako nalalo ba?
Nayak. Nayak si Tito Joe. Congratulations! Ay, ito, okay na to. To, ikaw daw to. To, picture daw kayo to. Tito Francis. Ako daw yung Francis. Kala ko 1 plus 6 feet. Yes. Congrats and best wishes, kambal. Ha? Ayan. Ayan ang ano, family. Yes, yes. Uy, check sa mga. Okay. Rico. Okay sa anak nyo.
Kain ka muna, kain ka.
Eh, Jun, sama ka dun. Isa pa, kasama pa si Erchon. Ito, kasama pa si Erchon. Ah, mga ano daw. Ninong-ninang. Kakain naman ng mga desserts.
Bale, alam mo na, buffet tayo. Buffet. Pag kinasal ka,
Yan pala. Mga ninong and ninang. The chairman.
Tara po. Okay. Up. Naiiwan ko yung nilang.